everybody, welcome back to my channel, Just Ria. I am Ria, and in today's video this is going to be a haul from none other than Hands and Bands. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing or unenveloping what's in this envelope. So I just wanted to point out that it says your happy mail has arrived. I thought that was so cute. But without further ado, let's just see what I got. Okay. So I got everything out of the envelope. Well, now I'll just put it right there. So first, let's just go over that's the logo, Hands and Bands, and it's a savings challenge. The ones that I talked to you guys about in the video yesterday. And I thought that these were so cute. I saw them first on Calculated to the T's video of her savings challenges. So I will put that in the eye, but the link to her website will be in the description box as well. So I have a $500 savings challenge, a $1,000 savings challenge, and a $250 savings challenge. So with the 250, it's going to be 5s, 10s, and 20s. So if I scratch one off, then that's how much you have to save for that scratch off. So you put it in your savings jar. The same thing for the $1,000 one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 20 scratch offs, and whew, I can only imagine the number that's in these scratch offs. I'm not gonna do this until like maybe a month from now. I'm gonna wait a little bit on that one because I'm gonna have to grasp what's under these covers. And then there's a $500 savings challenge with 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 20 scratch offs. But I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm probably gonna start on the 250 first, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll be doing this next week. You'll see this $250 scratch off being used. And remember guys, if you are interested in these, the link will be in the description box. And search around the store, you might find other things as well that you like. Now, I have a brown envelope, and I got, a scratch off token. That is so cute. I don't even think I ordered this. Oh my gosh, now I want to scratch. That is super cute. I cannot wait. I want to do one now, but I have no cash on me right now, so oh my. Okay, so it says, thank you. As a thank you, please enjoy free budgeting printables. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna go to this website, girl. Korea, thank you for your support. Happy savings, Alicia at Hands and Bands. Thank you, Alicia. You're so sweet. Definitely gonna be checking out those free budgeting printables. Can't wait. So I got some notable placeholders. I think that's what they're called. And I got them customized with my channel name, Just Ria. So basically, in my sinking funds, which are completely empty, I emptied them out from the last video that y'all seen. So the last video y'all seen, I had put some in there. Well, I emptied it out. Like, I'm starting fresh for 2022. So I'll be putting something in these maybe later this month, maybe March. I'm not sure. But when I do, you'll see this being grabbed. But the idea is when you reach, so you're stuffing money in the birthday fund and birthday envelope. And when you reach $1,000, you take that money out and you put it in the bank. And instead of having $1,000 in here, you use the placeholder instead. And that is so cute. So it's for $1,000. And then that's it. And then the same thing for the $500 one. Once you reach 500, you just take what you have, put that in the bank or somewhere else, and then you put this in place of it so that you still know the amount that you have. Now when you spend that money, you can't keep the placeholder in there. You got to take it out and start over where you at, basically. So I cannot wait to use these. This made me want to save $1,000 like right now. Like, let me put $1,000 in here right now just so that I can put these in there because they are super cute. And she has different designs too. This is just the design that I chose. So go on there, you guys. It's a set of 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, set of 5, and you customize them based on the design that you like. Super, super cute. 500, 1,000. But yeah, that's the end of this video, you guys. I just want to come on here and I'm gonna put these right here and show you guys what I got for my from Hands and Bands. And make sure you guys check her shop out. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. It's a set of 6. Okay, so I chose 4. You can choose which notes you want. So I'm trying to get these $1,000. So I chose 4 1,000 and 2 500. So you can choose all 500. You can choose all 1,000 or whatever other notes that she has. But I know I'm trying to save big this year. So I'm definitely leaning more towards the bigger $1,000 ones. And I may have to order more because I'm trying to really like have this thing filled. I want nothing but big notes. So, but that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.